Hey Google, turn on dining light.
Alright, turning on the dining light.
What's up guys? Welcome back again for another video, and today we'll be having a product na galing sa Taobao collection. Yan. This is from China and via Lazada platform. Okay, so we're expecting na marireceive natin is yung in-order natin na Komatsu PC200-10 na crawler excavator. This is a 1:43 scale. Okay, so I don't usually buy brand new. Mas prefer ko yung mga pre-love item kasi doon tayo nakaka-save, no guys. But this time we bought it brand new because medyo matagal na ako naghahanap, wala akong makitang ganitong Komatsu. And dito since na may voucher, this product is current price is around 1,700 pesos, but we got it for only 1,400 something. Yan, we save around 300 pesos. So kaya chinek out ko na rin siya. Okay, so this is from Taobao. Legit naman tong ano na to, yung shop na to, marami na daw tong nabilan. So mataas na may ratings ng shop na yon. Let's unbox this guys and let's check kung ano yung product na to. Okay, so yung Komatsu na PC210, dalawang variation to sa store niya. Isang modified na Komatsu crawler. I believe that is PC200MO, yung model niya. Ang difference lang naman nun, yung modified version na yun is can open hood, saka yung engine room niya, yung hood niya, saka yung side cover can open. Yeah, just like in the picture. But this one, yung binili natin is yung PC200-10 lang na model because we found it a little affordable. Yeah, yun na siya guys. So yan, this is official Komatsu PC210 as indicated. Walang nakamark na na scale niya, pero doon sa picture may nakalagay dito sa box na 1:43. We'll soon find out kung 1:43 nga to, dahil meron na tayong 1:43. Okay, so far so good. Naingatan yung box, mint yung box. Ito lang pala yung naging minor dents niya, pero mas okay na to kaysa yung Wii na dumating talagang durug-durug yung box, no guys. So by the way, mura lang kasi yon. Ito medyo pricey. Okay, so open na natin para ma-check na natin itong product. Yan, so far so good yung itsura. And for the price of 1,400 plus, hindi ka na manghihinayang dito guys. So check muna natin kung ano ba to. May kasama siyang accessory. Side mirror ba to? Yan, this is side mirrors. Yan, good thing included in the box. Okay, so yan na yung product. Wow. Wait pa lang, masasatisfy ka na guys. Okay, so this is a Komatsu PC200. Maraming variety itong PC Komatsu na to, itong PC model. Merong mga lower version na PC50 ba yun? Magaganda rin yung mga details nun. Okay, so straightforward tayo sa material na ginamit sa toy na to. Okay, so lahat na nakikita yung yellow, itong bucket all the way there, the arm hanggang dito. This is die-cast metal guys. Plastic lang sa kanya is yung hydraulic cylinder, nothing yellow, but itong chrome part is metal. Same here. Yan, same here. Okay, so do sa cabin, I think this is plastic. Tama ba? Mahirap ma-distinguish lalo na pag brand new guys eh. Masyadong pulido yung pagkakagawa nito eh. For now, I think this is die-cast metal. Yung body na to sa top. Ito lang ang plastic, I think. Yun lang yung tingin ko. Ang metal dito is yung base. Itong cabin syempre plastic yan. Clear acrylic yung mirrors niya, yung windshield. Yan, ang linis tignan. Yung cabin, saka yung details sa loob. Ayan, makikita mo yung mga joysticks and controls. Okay, on this side, die-cast tong base niya. Ano? Plastic. Plastic, but this part, medyo maganda yung detail, yung ano niya, yung texture niya. Pero plastic lang din siguro to guys, to. Ayan, saka yung mga rollers niya. But, itong ano niya, ito yung real deal talaga sa kanya. Itong track link. Yan. Track link niya. Tingin ko, hindi naman to yata metal eh. Parang plastic to guys. Hindi siya rubber. Yan yung maganda sa kanya. Yan. Siyempre rolling to. No? Okay, so yun yung markings niya. Komatsu. Emblem niya PC200 yung details. Yan. May mga warnings na ano dito sa side na to, details. Okay, so ito plastic tong grab bar nya on this side. Yan, Komatsu. Yan, tapos may mga warning ano dito, detail. Yan, warning detail. Yan, syempre functionality na ito, this is a crawler excavator. Rolling to syempre. Tingin ko hindi talaga to metal. This is plastic track link. Ang ganda ng detalye. Yung ibang, yung mga, ngayon lang ako ano pa nito. Nagkaroon ng ganito, yung track link siya. Usually, yung ganito ko rubber. Yan, yung Siku, yung isang Kobelco. Pero this time, this is track link. Okay, so, ganyan siya. Medyo mabigat to guys. Yung weight talaga niya, may satisfaction. Okay, may details pa dito. Komatsu. Malit na logo ng Komatsu. Saka yung ano niya guys, yung color niya guys, talagang Komatsu, yellow. Bright yellow, no? Talagang color ng heavy equipment. Yan yung maganda sa kanya. Okay, so yung marking sa ilalim, yan, barely nababasa naman. Komatsu. Tapos 1:50. Okay, this is 1:50. Made in China. Ayan. I thought this is 1:43. But okay, so let's check yung weight niya, guys. Trust tayo. Okay. So yun yung weight niya, 370 grams. For the size comparison, I have here the Kobelco na Dynaspec. Ito, sure ako na 1:43 to. Yan, this is 1:50. Okay, so para ma-figure out nyo guys, focus kayo dun sa cabin. Yan, sa cabin. Mas malaki ng yung room nito. Counting-county lang. Kasi accurate scale nito is 1:43. And this is 1:50. Yan. Okay na rin. Dito sa 1:50, talagang highly collectible ang 1:50, no guys. Kasi konti lang yung product ng 1:43. Yan. Itong US release na Kobelco is 1:43. Okay, so yan siya. Okay, so that's much of it guys. Thank you for viewing. If you like more this die-cast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So I'll see you in the upcoming video, and goodbye.